Good morning.
Here, my colleagues, that this number two. I'm going to take you through the responsibility of children within the family unit. We have already discussed them. That's right. So, one is to provide for their parents. This becomes when your parents need let's say like your parents she's sick or is sick or is not around or she's not around. You have to provide for your parents. The best example is when your parent is sick. She can't cook or he can't cook while you are there. So you have to provide for her, cook for her, and make everything for her go well. To listen and obey parents' instructions. This comes whereby your mother gives you an advice or your father. Then some cannot obey their parents' instructions. They decide to do what they want to do. But here comes the Bible tells us that obey your mother and father. So it's good to obey parents' instructions and do what he or her needs you to do. To take heed of parents' counsel and advice. According to my understanding, that is that child, or you have to take seriously parents' counsel and advice from your parents. To honor and respect their parents. Have respect to your mother or father. There is no way you can be above your parents, and there is any single day you will never ever become above your parents. She is your mother, she is your father, he brought you here. So you have to obey them and respect them. Not to curse their parents. Sometimes, let's say you are mistaken or you did something which is not good, then maybe your parents punish you. Some of you amwezisikia vizuri. You end up speaking things which cannot help you or words which are like us. You say that hata mamangu hata vizuri kama amenipiga tu bure ama mimi useme ni sawa tu kama mama umenipiga, mimi si mtoto wako tena. You can curse your parents through your words. But let me tell you, even if you speak what you say what, you can't help yourself without your parents or your mother or your father. There is no way you can help yourself. She brought you here. So you have to listen to your parents. You cannot do without them. Not to be lazy. No. Always our parents ask us to work hard and be a working hard children. There is no way, let's say for now, many children are totally lazy. According to the verse, children had more works to do, jobs to do for, maybe let's say first, the boys were sent to go and up the kettles, girls were to fetch water and wash the utensils. But nowadays, let's say you are living, sema tunaishi town, then mamako anaenda kazi na babako anaenda kazi wote wawili. Then wewe unaenda shule. So you end up coming to the house and unapata maid. So hakuna kazi utafanya, ile kitu utafanya wewe ni kukaa chini, watch TV, kama ni kufunga nguo unafunga na maid wako. Haiwezi kusaidia. You will end up becoming lazy and you will never ever help yourself. To bring joy to their parents. It's a good thing once you are seated with your parents and the other members of family, discussing and sharing stories of the past. The children and the elders to have a plan. Let's say have a group discussing and sharing stories. Not to mock or scorn their parents. There is no way you can mock your parents. So I asked the teacher to explain us about these points, not to mock or scorn your parents.
When it talks about not to mock or scorn their parents, this means that children, when you are told something by your parents or let's say, like for instance, you ask something from your parents, and then they do not provide in time, and then you start saying, like, for example, like, hata sijui mbona ni mama yangu, heri hadi singezaliwa kwa hii familia. Things like that you should not.
Responsibilities of parents toward their children. To discipline their parents or to discipline their children or correct them. So, one responsibility from your parents is to discipline you and correct you. But most of you, sijasema kila mtu. Wengine, you can be told by your parents, then you decide that I will do whatever I need to do. But ama unauliza mamako mbona anakupiga na hafai kukupiga na wewe ni mkubwa. He has the right to discipline you and correct you. Disciplining you is not all about fighting or ama kupiga. She can tell you something or he can tell you an advice, something which can help you and correct your way. To train their children the right ways of living. To train you the right way of living. Kama amenona na vibaya na control, anakwambia this is the better option and this is the better way to stay. To avoid provoking their children to anger, lest they become discouraged. To avoid their children to become discouraged. To be understanding to their children. And then the last point is they should be loving to their children. To show love to their children. Your mother always and your father always love you. But there are sometimes it comes to say that mama ni bendi. Because let's say you are the last one, or you are the first one. Na mtoto wa pili ama watatu ameshika kitu na akabaiwa. You end up saying that mama ni bendi, anapenda huyu sana, anibai kitu pia mimi. So you end up saying that you have no love from your parents, but your mother and father loves you. That was my explanation.